In Brachos Mem Gimel Amud Beis, Rabbi Yochanan teaches in the name of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Noyach lo la'adam sheyapil atzmo letoch kivshan ha'esh. One should rather jump into the fire ve'al yalbin pnei chaveiro barabim than to embarrass someone publicly. And we learned this from Tama, who was willing to do just that in order to make sure she doesn't embarrass Yehuda. How careful we have to be. A few years ago, Yeshiva Skol Torah had a summer camp, and they brought all kinds of people to give lectures to the Bachurim. One of the people got on stage and started giving his lecture. He didn't really look like a Haredi individual. He wasn't dressed like one of the rosh yeshiva. And in the middle of the lecture, the yeshiva got up and he left. 2-3 minutes later, one of the staff members gets on stage and he instructs the Bachurim, we should all leave now. Obviously, this is not a lecture which is fitting for us. We all saw the yeshiva, how he got up and he left, and we should do the same. It cannot be that we see the yeshiva getting up, leaving the place, and we will stay. And people argued, but what's the problem? It's a fascinating lecture. It seems very nice. What is the problem? And they were arguing and arguing. And 2 minutes later, the yeshiva himself comes back. His hands are still not 100% dry while he's saying, Asher Yatsa, Ba'uchata Hashem Umafli La'asos. And then it became clarified that he left to a very important place, but he quickly came back to hear the fascinating lecture. This staff member who instructed everybody to leave was very embarrassed. And it's a measure for measure. It was embarrassing the lecturer. Now he himself was embarrassed publicly.